Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am painting the side of my shadow box. So a couple weeks ago Luke was like, hey, whatever happened to those shadow box thingies that you were wanting to do that you spent all that money on and da-de-da. And I was like, well, I mean, I started on the Majora's Mask one, but I didn't like finish it. And he said, well, maybe you should do that. And I was like, yeah, maybe I should. So last night I started drawing on it, and I posted the video of just me drawing, and it's just a bunch of like scribbles. It looks like scribbles, but really it was just like me trying to get the general placement of these masks on this box down, you know, because once I went into painting, then they started really coming to life. What?
Says, Daddy, do you know that lemons make you sassy? It does. If you eat a whole bunch of lemons, it'll make you really bad sassy.
Okay.
Now what's that?
That is my phone, and I'm recording for my YouTube video.
What are you doing now?
Well, you know, who knows? Are y'all good? You better go before he gets you. There, he's got you now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Y'all go play. Well, that was more entertaining than anything I was going to say. The lemons thing was funny. Like, Luke's sassy voice is hilarious. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I was talking about my shadow box. Well, like, let's see, I talked about doodling and getting the, like, just the general placement of them on the box. And then, yeah, once you go in and start painting, like, that's when the details really start to come to life. So, like, painting it was really fun. It is really satisfying. Like, I like painting that acrylic paint on the wood. Like, it hits different than painting on paper, honestly, if I'm being real, you know. Man, I'm going to have to go back in. Like, okay, I'm going to have to go back in the editing process of this and definitely try to edit out my kid screaming at the top of her lungs. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Y'all aren't going to hear it, but it was there. And be grateful, because I saved your earbuds. I saved them, your eardrums from busting and dying. Yeah. Anyway, what masks do I have on this box? On this side, in this video, I have the Keaton mask, the Great Fairy mask, the Bomb mask. You know, the bomb mask is kind of stupid, honestly. Like, I mean, yeah, it's good to use in a pinch if you're out of bombs, but it damages you, you know? So, like, I never used it in the game. And then there's the Mask of Truth, the ceremonial mask, which is a total bitch to get. The Captain Skeleton mask thing, Keefe's mask, and the Giant's mask. But yeah, man, that ceremonial mask, like, anybody who's played Majora's Mask will tell you, like, it's a pain. You have to play the game all the way through the 3 days, and I want to say you have to play through it twice. Like, I really want to say that you play through the 3 days and do one thing, and then you have to play through the 3 days and do another, because there's so many different side quests you have to do. You have to deliver this to here, to that, to this, to that. And yeah, I don't even know. Look, it's been years since I played it, so, like, off the top of my head, I don't remember all the details, but I do remember that it was a real pain, headache, and when I finally successfully got this one, and you have to time everything, like, just right, you know. If you miss something, like, oh, that sucks, you got to go back and start over. Oh my goodness. But yeah, once you finally get it, like, it is so satisfying. It is a huge relief that, like, you were able to successfully get this mask. And some of these masks, like the ceremonial mask, for example, it's not necessary for the storyline. Like, it's just a side thing. Some of these masks are side quests. Some of them you need for the main storyline in order to progress. Like, they're helpful. And so, like the frog one, you don't need the frog one to progress in the storyline. It's just there as a fun side thing. And in order to even get the stinking frog mask, you gotta find all the frogs, which means you gotta, like, I want to say a lot of the frogs are in, like, the dungeons. So that means you'd have to go and, like, beat the dungeons. I mean, it's a long game. If you want to hunt 100% this game, like, it takes for freaking ever. But it's a great game. Like, it's fantastic. It's one of my favorite Zelda games. In fact, I would put Majora's Mask, as far as gameplay and experience goes, above Ocarina of Time. Now, I like Ocarina of Time. It was the very first game I ever played. It was my first Zelda game that I ever played. So it's very nostalgic and sentimental to me. But if I'm being honest with you, like, personally, I think Majora's Mask is way better. It is so unique. It is fun. There's tons to do. Like, you never really get bored. And when they remade it for the 3DS, they not only beefed up the graphics and the look of everything and the characters and stuff, but they also added 2 fishing ponds and a load of fish to catch. And, like, that was really cool of them to do. Like, that was so fun. Also, like, Maku's mask, or Maku, or however you want to say his name, the Zora, like, being a Zora is fantastic in this game. Like, the swimming mechanics are so fun. Just leaping at high speed out of the water like a freaking dolphin and just swimming the way you do is exciting. It's so fun. I love it. And that was, like, one of the things I hated about Breath of the Wild is whenever you get all the Zora stuff, you don't get to swim around the same way that you do in Majora's Mask. Because if they would have let you swim like that, like, it would have made Breath of the Wild 10 times better. Like, I love Breath of the Wild. It is also another favorite Zelda game of mine. I think that's the only gripe I had about that game is you get all the Zora armor, and yeah, it lets you zoom up waterfalls, fantastic, but you swim so slowly, and it takes up your stamina bar. Like, it's kind of a pain. But not in Majora's Mask, though. You just be, like, torpedoing through. Also, like, I love the Gerudos in Majora's Mask. Like, the Gerudos is my favorite race in the Zelda series. Those women are so fine. Like, I absolutely adore them. And in Majora's Mask, like, they're pirates. And the music in the Gerudo Fortress is poppin'. Like, I love it. I love everything about it. The Gerudo music is already poppin'. Like, but when in the Pirate Fortress, like, it hits. It hits in a whole other way. So, yeah. Such a good game. So, you know, and I'm glad that Luke told me to finish my shadow box. I've been having a really good time painting. And I can't wait to get started on the other side, paint those. And then I'm going to make, you know, my 3 masks. Now, I was on the fence of, should I make 3 masks or 4? Should I do the Deku, Goron, and Zora and leave it at that? Or should I add the Fierce Deity Link mask? I don't know. So, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, should I do the 3 or the 4? I didn't do the other. You know, I'm starting to forget what all I've talked about. I feel like I'm repeating myself now. I'm not sure. So anyway, well, I mean, I guess that's really it though. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I loved Luke's little cameo and Lucy's little cameo. Like, that was a treat. That was a real treat. And it saved me a couple of minutes of trying to figure out what to say and what to talk about. So yeah. And anyway, I mean, I still have another minute. I have another minute of rambling to do. Because my video is like 11 and a half minutes long. So I got to find something else to talk about for another minute. Well, I mean, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day. It's been a fantastic day. Luke went and he bought us a cool bench, like a wicker bench to put on our porch, and we can get rid of all of our janky chairs. So now, like, we're moving up in the world. Like, we're fancy. Like, our nice wicker bench and our gross bucket sitting next to it. What's up? And then, like, he went like furniture shopping for like couches and stuff, you know. So he had a grand time going shopping. And I was here editing my video, which is fine, you know. I didn't need to be there, you know. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.